So now this video is going to go over the 5-4 notes, which is constructing an equilateral triangle inside a circle and constructing a regular hexagon in a circle. These are two of my favorite constructions. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a point on our circle, and we're going to call that point P. Doesn't matter where you put it, you can put it anywhere you want. Then we're going to take our compass straight edge and we're going to measure the radius. And again, this doesn't matter where we do this, we can do it anywhere. And what we're looking for is to see that line coming through so that we know the radius. So once we have the radius, we're going to go up here on P and we're going to put an arc down here and we're going to put an arc up here equidistant from point P, and we're going to label these 2 points that we just marked, A and B. So this is going to be our point A, and this is going to be our point B. Now AB is going to be one of the sides of our equilateral triangle. So we're going to go ahead and draw side AB. Now our next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure the length of AB. So we're going to put our compass bullseye on A. We're going to measure down here to point B. So right there where B is. And then we're going to slide right down here. We're not even going to move it. We're going to slide right down here. We're going to make another mark. And this is going to be our point C for our equilateral triangle. Then all we're going to do is connect A to C and B to C. Now we know an equilateral triangle means that all three sides are congruent, so we're going to put tick marks on all three sides. Now our next construction for 5-4 is a regular hexagon. This time we're going to go ahead and put our letter A on as a dot on our circle. Again, we can put it wherever we want. I'm going to start it up there. Now with this circle again, we're going to measure the radius. And as I said before, it doesn't matter where we do that. We're just trying to get that line inside of our little hole right there so that we can see the length of the radius. So once we've done that, let me see if I can get it. There we go. Then we're going to put our bullseye on A, and we're going to put a mark here. And that first mark is going to be our B. And then we're going to pick that up, and we're going to put our bullseye on B, and we're going to come around here, and we're going to make C. So that's our point C. We're going to keep doing this all the way around the circle. We're going to keep making these marks. So this one's going to be D. All of these are basically the length of the radius all the way around the circle from one point to the next. So this one is E. And this last point up here will be F. And a good check for us is to go ahead and measure from F to A. And if it should be correct. I must have slid it a little bit, but it should be the same length. So then we're going to draw segments from A to B, B to C. This is a regular hexagon, remember, from C to D, from D to E, and from E to F, and from F to A. And again, if you don't let your slider move, which I think I must have somewhere in here, all of these sides are the same length, and then it is an a regular hexagon.